Disney has a mission to conduct our business and create and license products in an ethical manner. Part of this mission is our commitment to environmental stewardship, which focuses on using resources wisely and protecting the planet as we operate and grow our business. We invite our licensees to join us in our commitment to environmental stewardship through Disney's License to Lead program. License to Lead is a collaborative, voluntary program offered to licensees, giving them an opportunity to provide input and be early adopters to help shape citizenship initiatives in environment and philanthropy, take part in special events, and create shared value with benefits for continual improvement. Through 5 years of development and much collaboration with licensees, sustainable packaging experts, and industry groups such as the Sustainable Packaging Coalition, Disney created the Smart Packaging Initiative, or SPI. The overall objective of SPI is to improve the environmental performance of toy packaging in ways that are measurable, visible, and optimize on-shelf performance. In addition, SPI can help to reduce customers' frustration with packaging, improving the customer experience overall. Users are encouraged to explore creative ways to optimize transportation and on-shelf performance by seeking opportunities to make packaging that is easier to open and recycle and utilizes environmentally preferable materials. SPI is a measurement and design tool for packaging that provides clear, easy-to-understand scores as well as specific guidance for making improvements. SPI has been designed to make it as easy as possible for users to identify and implement opportunities to reduce environmental impacts of packaging. Users just enter basic information about their product and packaging, and the tool does all the hard work. Why do we need SPI in the first place? Think about toys in their packaging, such as a doll. The packaging protects the doll. It also is great for merchandising on shelf and helps extend the storytelling in consumers' hands. But what happens to this box when someone has opened the toy? How easy is it to recycle the box? What happens when it is thrown away? Does it go in the trash? Or, depending on what it is made of, does it get recycled? These questions are a way of thinking about environmental impacts and consumer experience in terms of a product or package's full life cycle, and this is the kind of thinking behind SPI. Improving understanding and measurement of the full life cycle of packaging from design to disposal helps to identify opportunities to reduce overall environmental impact. The cumulative benefits of small changes are huge when applied to high-volume products. Easy-to-open packaging helps to allow for easier material separation and recycling, reduce customers' frustration, and improve the overall experience of buying and opening a new toy. There is a growth in the marketplace and an increased demand in sustainable packaging. Financially, this creates an opportunity for cost savings. Less packaging means less waste and packaging cost. Smaller packages allows for more Disney space on retail shelf and less fees from packaging regulations. Globally, there are increasing environmental fees and packaging regulations. In the US, packaging waste continues to increase, which drives a number of packaging regulations coming up in the US. At Disney, our job is to inspire kids and families and extend Disney storytelling through our products. Success means creating a great experience for consumers and also provides teachable moments with their kids around environmental stewardship or recycling. So, how does it work? SPI was developed by looking at a full life cycle of a package in order to evaluate the environmental impacts and identify opportunities for improvement. The life cycle phases of a product or package include sourcing, manufacturing, transportation, retail, consumer, and disposal. Disney examined each life cycle phase by considering these questions. Sourcing. What materials are used in the package? Does this box use cardboard? Does the packaging contain plastics? Does it use recycled content? Manufacturing. How was that paper fiber turned into the cardboard? How was that box assembled and shipped? Transportation. Before products get to the shelf, they are packaged and shipped. How many products fit in a master carton? On shelf. How many products can fit on the shelf? Does the packaging extend storytelling at retail? Consumers' use. How easy is it for someone to open the box? Does the paper and plastic easily separate from each other so that they can be placed in the recycle bin? Disposal. Does the box get separated by the consumer and eventually get recycled at a recycling center? Or will it end up in a landfill? Is the box made of materials that are commonly recyclable by most municipal recycling programs? 3 design principles are used to improve the performance throughout the life cycle of a package. These design principles include sourcing responsibly, designing for recyclability, and optimizing resources. Source responsibly looks at the carbon footprint, materials health, and recycled, bio-based, or certified content of the package. Design for recycling is an indicator of how a package will perform when it is ready for disposal, whether sent to landfill or recycled, and whether strategies to improve recycling have been incorporated into design. Optimizing resources examines cube utilization, how closely the packaging fits around the product, and the product-to-packaging ratio. Looking at these three design principles allows flexibility for what types of improvements packaging designers want to make. The SPI scoring system provides an easy, at-a-glance way to understand the environmental performance of a package. SPI provides an overall score that runs from 0, high environmental impact, to 100, minimal environmental impact. The scoring system allows users to measure improvements made a little bit at a time. To put the score into context, the SPI tool provides industry norms, which allows users to anonymously benchmark performance against industry peers and average packaging. SPI analyzed over 900 packaging designs in order to come up with consistent industry norms that are relevant across licensees and product classes. With the industry norms, a package can be considered below average, average, or above average for a particular product type. This should assist with making the scoring even easier to understand. SPI also provides dynamic design guidance, which helps users make adjustments and improve their overall score. The scoring and reporting features are intended to help illustrate where the largest opportunities for improvement are and to understand how each packaging component affects the score. Comparing the environmental impacts of different designs can help guide decision-making when comparing multiple packaging designs. Designing smarter packaging may not only help to reduce environmental impacts, but also to create a better experience for Disney's guests and consumers. For more information on how to get involved with SPI, please contact DCPI Citizenship